Position side rail with safety strap pull toward front of box and side rail guide set on top of box. Then push forward until it touches front of box and hold in place. Install first clamp as close to front as possible. With side rail guide set on top of box, install the 2 middle clamps. Ensure they are equally spaced from front to rear. Next, install rear clamp as close to tailgate as possible. Torque all clamps to 20 foot-pounds. Repeat process to install side rail on opposite side. At front of box, carefully place header panel on side rails. Slide cover forward, then lower into retainment brackets. With cover in horizontal position, slide front tabs fully under side rails and torque to 20 foot-pounds. Close cover to ensure tailgate closes properly. Fold cover to horizontal position and hook bungee to storage bracket on each side. Release final latch and carefully tilt cover into storage bracket grooves. Then secure safety straps. Swing pivot link out from clip and attach anchor on each side. With anchors post toward cover, test placement on top of cab and mark location. Repeat for opposite side. Ensure 1 to 1.5 inch space between cover and closest point on cab. Release pivot link from anchor and secure in clip on each side. Then clean and apply primer to marked locations. Peel adhesive liner from anchor and adhere to marked locations on each side. Apply pressure for 10 seconds, then close cover.